Mukbang guys. Pancit Canton. Sweet and spicy noodles. Pancit Canton's flavor is sweet and spicy noodles. Let's eat. Ang dami naman ito. It's actually good. Let's eat. Ito lang ulam natin. Unhealthy food. Pancit. Pagtong yung mukha ka. Sweet and spicy. Pancit Canton. Noodles. Asmer. With tea. Thank you guys. Yan, ito lang pagkain natin guys kasi walang pambili. So kain muna tayo ng unhealthy food. Grabe pagtong yung mukha ko. Yan, thank you guys. And shout out to all my friends, viewers, my GC, Piamelo team, Team Puyaters, Adventurous, and shout out to all my super viewers, super suki, si Marilyn Betachi. Thank you, sis. Busog naman ako. Ang dami, napadami. Ubusin ko lang. Sayang naman. Salamat guys. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. So, hope you like my mukbang. I'm really full, guys. So, I'll just finish my tea. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy my mukbang. I know it's not that healthy, but sometimes, you know, you don't want to cook and you just want an easy, quick dinner. So that's the best thing. That's the best thing to do. You have to stock noodles, either spicy noodles, Lucky Me, all kinds of noodles, ramen. So it helps, but you know, sometimes you just wanted to eat unhealthy. And thank you guys. You should try that. It's good though, but we know for a fact that noodles is not that healthy as it is, you know, unless you put some vegetables and eggs. So, but this one is purely, so I'm really full. So thank you so much guys. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye. Thank you so much.